Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless LAN module, display panel assembly, display bezel, left hinge cover, and display panel. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable for later replacement. Note: if the notebook is equipped with an IR camera, the display panel cable will have 2 lengths of cable connecting it to the camera instead of 1. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel and adhesive that secure it to the display enclosure. Disconnect the display panel cable from the connector on the webcam board. Remove the display panel cable. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel cable.